Hello guys, welcome to my channel AK Mechanical Lecture. Today I brought a new updates for you regarding MTech admission in IIT Bhubaneswar. Before going to for its details, I request you all please like, share and subscribe my channel. So they have started the application form for MTech admission from 5th of March 2021 and last date is 7th of April 2021. Now we are going to see how you can apply for that. So first, if you are new applicant, so first you have to register. This is the link given. Click here for registration. You have to do register, and then after registration you will got one user ID and password. From that you have to log in and start proceeding filling the form. Or if you have already applied before this, then you already have a user ID and password. From that you log in and you start filling form. Now we are going to see what are the departments they are offering MTech. The departments are climate science and technology, structural engineering, transportation engineering, environmental engineering, water resources engineering, geotechnical engineering, electronics communication, power system engineering, computer science and engineering, power electronics and drives, metallurgical and material, mechanical system design, thermal science and engineering, manufacturing engineering. These are the details of every program, means what are its importance, in what areas you can do something better in future, in different areas. Like for structural engineering, they have written that this master program envisages to create high quality professional with a strong research capability. Through this program, the student will be exposed to a state of art research in the areas of structural mechanics, structural analysis, structural dynamics, concrete technology, science, soil, structure interaction, etc. This program also offers the student to learn about earthquake engineering and seismic design of a structure. This program has a set of elective courses which are relevant to the part of structural engineering education and research. The student can also take interdisciplinary subject of their choice from a broad spectrum of elective offered by other department of IIT Bhubaneswar. These are the importance of transportation, likewise environmental engineering, water resources engineering, geotechnical engineering, electronics communication, computer science, power system engineering, power electronics and drive, metallurgical and material engineering, thermal science and engineering, mechanical system design, manufacturing engineering. For all the discipline, for all the different branches, there are different schools where these branches are. Like for climate science and earth sciences, they have a school of earth, ocean and climate sciences where you have to do all the research work. They have second for civil or others, school of infrastructure, a school of electrical sciences, a school of mineral metallurgical and material engineering. These all are different, like you can tell, research labs within IIT Bhubaneswar, a school of mechanical sciences. Now we are going to see what are the eligibility, basic eligibility for all the discipline to apply. For climate science and technology, if you have 60% marks or 6.5 CGPA in 10-point scale in MSc or equivalent degree in atmospheric science, marine science, oceanography, meteorology, physics, chemistry, mathematics, along with valid GATE score, then you can apply. One desirable thing is you must have mathematics or physics at BSc level. For this climate science and technology, total seat is 20. For climate science and technology, you must have your bachelor or MSc in civil engineering, applied mechanics, aeronautical engineering, mechanical engineering, computer science and engineering. Next, for structural, they ask same 60% marks or 6.5 CGPA on 10-point scale in BE Tech or equivalent degree in civil engineering along with valid GATE score. For structural engineering, you must have your BTech in civil engineering. Total they have 14 seats. Likewise for transportation, same 60% marks or 6.5 CGPA in related discipline in bachelor's. You must have your BTech in civil or architecture or planning. For that, total 11 seat. For environmental also, you must have your bachelor degree in civil engineering or environmental engineering. They have total 13 seat. Percentage criteria is same for all. For water resources engineering, same percentage criteria and valid GATE score. You must have civil engineering or agriculture for water resources engineering. For geotechnical, you must have your BTech in civil engineering, total 13 seat. Electronics communication, same percentage criteria with valid GATE score. You must have a BTech in electronics and communication, total 20 seats. For likewise, for every discipline, your bachelor degree in with related discipline, and you must have 60% marks or 6.5 CGPA on 10-point scale with valid GATE score. So these all are the details. Now they also have given the fee structural for different category. टोटल फी स्ट्रक्चरल ये आपका जो है फॉर जनरल कैटेगरी के लिए टोटल आपका फीस जो यहाँ पे है वो 53,759, एससी के लिए 48,759 एंड फॉर स्पॉन्सर्ड कैटेगरी टोटल 23,259 and this is applicable 5% relaxation. This is they have given 5% relaxation of marks in the qualifying degree. Examination would be granted to SC, ST or PWD candidate. And this fee structural structure is for semester wise. So some charges they have one time, like this one time fee 5,900 and this caution money which is refundable 12,000. This is one time payment. रिजर्वेशन क्राइटेरिया विल बी फॉलोड एज पर गवर्नमेंट रूल्स. शॉर्ट लिस्टिंग जो आपका होगा वो होगा आपका गेट स्कोर के बेसिस पे. सिलेक्शन ऑफ रेगुलर कैंडिडेट इज बेस्ड ऑन 70% वेटेज फॉर गेट स्कोर एंड 30% वेटेज फॉर परफॉर्मेंस इन रिटन टेस्ट एंड इंटरव्यू. दे आल्सो टेक रिटन टेस्ट एंड इंटरव्यू. फ्रॉम दैट दे विल शॉर्टली सेलेक्ट यू. स्पॉन्सर्ड कैंडिडेट जो हैं उनके लिए भी ये ज़रूरी है कि वैलिड गेट स्कोर हो. A sponsored candidate with a valid GATE score will have to undergo same shortlisting and selection process as those of regular candidate. A sponsored candidate without valid GATE score will be shortlisted only if he or she has minimum 65% marks in all the academic examination. A relaxation of 5% mark is permitted only in one academic exams. He must have to appear written test and interview in the school. The weightage for written test and interview shall be 70 and 30 and you must have a score 40% of maximum marks. ये यहाँ पे दिया हुआ. जो भी DRDO के थ्रू स्पॉन्सर्ड है या सिमिलर अप्रूव्ड गवर्नमेंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन हु हैज बीन सेलेक्टेड थ्रू अप्रूव्ड इंटरनल प्रोसीजर विल बी एडमिटेड इन अप्रोप्रिएट डिसिप्लिन. फाइनेंशियल असिस्टेंट अभी करेंटली 12,400 है, वही आपको यहाँ पे मिलेगा. एप्लीकेशन फ़ी लग रहा है यहाँ पे जनरल OBC और EWS के लिए 300 और बाकियों के लिए 150. तो ये सारा डिटेल था आपका IIT भुवनेश्वर से एमटेक करने के लिए कैसे आपको अप्लाई करना है. तो ऑलरेडी आपको बता चुका हूँ. पहले आपको रजिस्टर करना है तो आपको ये यूज़र ID और पासवर्ड मिलेगा. वहाँ से लॉगिन करने के बाद यहाँ से ये लिंक दिया हुआ है लॉगिन रजिस्टर्ड. यदि आप पहले से रजिस्टर हो तो आपको डायरेक्टली लॉगिन करना, और नहीं हो रजिस्टर्ड तो आपको पहले रजिस्ट्रेशन करना, देन उसके बाद यूज़र ID पासवर्ड मिलने के बाद आपको लॉगिन करना है. तो ये सारी चीज़ें थी. बाकी आपको लिंक मैं प्रोवाइड कर दूंगा यदि डिटेल में आपको चाहिए हो तो वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो आपको तो प्लीज़ लाइक कर देना, शेयर कर देना और सब्सक्राइब कर देना. धन्यवाद.